this is Dominic Daughtry, and I'm making this video as a follow-up to the Batchlink video I created and posted to the Sundt Web Quick Shares website. The reason why I wanted to do this video is lots of people, as soon as they saw the Batchlink feature and the ability to hyperlink their DRDs upon setup, tons of people started doing it. I helped a bunch of different projects set it up. But one thing that people aren't using it for and kind of haven't caught on to is the fact that you can use Batchlink to hyperlink all of your shop drawings. On my project, I'm currently using Batchlink to hyperlink fire alarm shop drawings, fire sprinkler shop drawings, structural steel shop drawings, and as you can see right here, my structural cold form metal framing shop drawings. So anything you can use Batchlink on will make you faster, more efficient. It cuts down your time. It's a great way to automate certain things, when dealing with plans. So what I'm going to do is show you how to hyperlink a set of shop drawings. So you can see right here, I've got my submittal, and it's got cover sheets. It's got a bunch of calculations down here in the thumbnails. So all I want to do is I want to change the page label on page 4, which is the plan set, to page 15, which is the end of the plan set. And that's where we're actually going to hyperlink. So go up here in the thumbnails, I'm going to create page labels. I'm going to go to page region, and I'm going to select right here the sheet name or number. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to do a custom range because I only want pages 4 through 15. There you go, and you'll see them all change over here on the left hand side. You can see all the plans change to what they actually are, so you can see right there. So now that that's done, I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Batch, I'm going to go to Link, New. I'm going to add open files because that's the file we want to backlink. Press Next. And just to make it easy on myself, I'm going to choose page label again, or page region, sorry. Select, and I'm going to do the same thing I did to index the sheets. I'm going to press that. Press OK. I'm going to go to link options. I'm going to make sure that my hyperlinks are going to be highlighted so everybody knows where the hyperlinks are. It's okay, I'm going to generate right here. And right now it's generating all the results automatically throughout the plan sheets. Like I said, this is a small plan sheet set. Most shop drawings are, so this is a very quick process on shop drawings. And you can see right here, it's generated all my reference results. See right here, LSF-1.0 is page 4. Page 4 right down here. I can see we are on the correct sheet. Go down to the very end and it goes to page 15, and that's LSF-5.1. So perfect, it's generated all of them. So I'm going to run the Batchlink, and like I said, I do this for all of my shop drawings on my project, and I actually do it before I submit them to the architect and engineer for review after I've done my review. And architects and engineers absolutely love it. It makes their review easier and faster, and I would argue even more accurate. So boom, right there you can see it. Backlink complete, 83 hyperlinks created. I did that within a minute. So finish and close, and you see all of them show up. I can go here, take me right to my plan sheets, LSF 3.02, go there. I've got the ability to go to any of these hyperlinks. 6, right there. It actually takes the notes as well. So like right here, we go to 4 on that page, the jam assembly. You can see how easy it is to fly around shop drawings. It is an amazing thing to set up on your project. I use it on my project. It's worked out great. The main reason why I wanted to do this video is I wanted to show people that Batchlink is not just for DRDs. You can use it for anything else, shop drawings especially. I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and keep doing your thing. Thanks.